Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about what is the Docker architecture and what is the Docker client and Docker engine. Okay, for this I can open Paint now. Okay, first there is a here is a Docker client will be presented. Okay, then after that there is a Docker daemon is the presented. Okay, in the daemon after daemon we can able to see containers and images and what all the image registers are presented in your system. This is the flow it will happen. Okay, if we go ahead here and like this, and you can able to see if from here to here and here to here and here to here. Okay, and this is my Docker client, and here it is Docker daemon, and this is my container, and this is my image. Oh, 1 minute. And this is my image registry. Okay, these are the things are presented. Okay, whenever you hit something command from the command prompt, first the client will hit for the daemon. A daemon will search based upon your command, which command you are passing, right? That particular command it will pass and it will go and check whether that particular things, whether it is checking whether it is present in local or not. If it is not present in the local, there is anything is present for daemon or that particular, which is the one the user is searching, right? That particular one, whether it is presented for remote. If remote also not presented, then you can show something error like that it will say. Okay, now I'm going to open some command prompt. Okay, from here I can do one thing. First we'll do for image, Docker images. It will provide you for all the images which all the things are presented. Okay, if I want to do for this particular one to run it without anything, it is provided for me doing very quick. Correct. Now if I want to run this particular one, how we can able to use a Docker run -d and -b and 5000 colon 5000. Okay, space we can able to use in 28 minutes, or I have for another repo which is mine having for same. Okay, we'll see in the couple of minutes that as well how you can able to create your own. You can Node.js colon 0.0.1 point release. Okay, now I hit this one. I have already, that's why it is given directly. I'll remove D also. First we need to stop the container. Get the container. Container list. This is my list. We can able to use for Docker container stop, and I'll take my container list and stopping here. Now without daemon I'm going to, because we need to see for the logs and all whether it will provide or not. Now see it is already used. Okay, somewhere we stopped it. Okay, no issue. We'll use for 5001. Okay, now the port is ready and it we can able to use it here. Okay, see JavaScript came. Okay, we can able to use it this one. Okay, without any issue. But One thing remember, here we hit it and it directly presented because of I have already for that particular one. Okay. Now I'm going to stop this one. Okay. Now again I'm going to running purpose. I'm going to use for some unknown things which is not presented in a local as well as remote also. Just I'm providing my name because it will not present remote also. Then I'm going to hit it. Now it is checking, see, unable to find the image for local, unable to find the image in a local which we are searching, and also Docker error response from the daemon. You can see the daemon pulling access denied for this particular repo, and repository does not exist may required to Docker login denied request access for that particular one. See, the daemon is searching for that. We are hitted for that particular one, but which is not presented for local and also in remote also. Both the places it is not presented. That's why we are able to get for this particular daemon error. Okay, daemon will search for the local as well as remote. If any one place of it is existing, then it will download and it will start it. Okay. In case if it is not there, then we can able to get for some error. If it is something is presented inside remote, which is not presented for local, then how we can able to get? There is a API. REST API will be presented. You can able to use that, and I'm going to hit now. Now see unable to find the local. Now you can see the pooling for that one. That particular location onwards, it is pulled completely and it is started for Spring Boot because it need to be download everything. Now it is Tomcat is 8080 is there. The port even he can able to use the 8080 or else you can able to use for 501 because we use 501 local host. 8080. We used 8 and 500, 501. We used 501 is the port only. We running for that and REST API. Correct only. Why it is not running? So okay. Okay, another command I'll open. Docker run -p 5002 colon 5000, and I'm going to info in 28 minutes hello world hyphen rest hyphen API colon 0.0.1 dot release. Now if I hit now, it should start. The 5002 is the port number. 14.19 second Java is running and up and running. Tomcat also the port it is started. But something it is happening. Shit. Eight zero port number. We started the port as 8080. Whether it now it will start or not, we'll see. The RESTful service something it is down, I guess. But it is up and running only, but unfortunately we are not able to. Okay, something happened, but which is not presented, we can able to download, but unfortunately I'm not able to run this particular RESTful service. Basically it will hit, we can able to hit and we can able to see 100%, but now the service is not able to getting. Okay, Docker container list. See, the RESTful service is started already about a minute ago, and the port is 8000. Okay, it is started for 8000 port. Okay, 8000 port also not working. See, the port is 8000, it is showing, but the TCP port also it is not provided. 5000. 8080 port, and see here also 8080 port is started, but that 8080 also not working. Okay, no issues. I'll check and I'll come back for this particular because the port is already for see 8080 is a port is the one 5000 port for Node.js. When we are using 5000, we are able to get for the response of this one, and RESTful service is not giving a response. I'll check this one. Okay, in my local I'll check, recheck, and I'll we can able to use any other locations. Okay, 8080 also. Mhm. Okay, we can see for next video session time. But you can able to understand, right, how the Docker client and daemon is working. That whenever the daemon like this completely engines will work for that, like okay, it will check whether it will be presented inside your local or remote repository, and based upon that it will check and it will come back for the response whether it is, if it is presented local, automatically it will start for the execution. In case if it is not presented, then we can it will go for uh, remote repository and it will download everything. Okay, this is the way we can able to use it. Okay, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Okay, thank you.